Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're checking out the Kidsneed laser pen, a trending product online that claims to combine fun and learning for kids in one flashy gadget. But does it actually work, and is it even safe? Quick disclaimer, this review is based on public research and personal opinion. According to its official website, the Kidsneed laser pen is marketed as a high-powered laser pointer that can be used for presentations, outdoor activities, or even as a fun toy for kids and pets. It boasts a sleek metal design, claims to have long battery life, and includes tire cap attachments for pattern projection. But here's where things get sketchy. There's no clear information on how to use it safely, no detailed specs, and no user guide. One Reddit user who bought 4 of them said they arrive with zero instructions or safety warnings. That's concerning, especially since this product is potentially being handed to kids. This is found on Reddit. For the final verdict, the Kidsneed laser pen might look fun and futuristic, but the lack of safety guidelines or even a basic manual makes it a risky buy, especially for children. Until the manufacturer improves transparency and provides proper documentation, we can confidently recommend it. That's it for today's quick review. If you've tried a Kidsneed laser pen, drop your experience in the comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Stay safe out there.